Hello everyone, I am Tanuja from ENH iSecure and thank you for joining this demo session. In our use case, we are addressing the integration challenges organizations face with multiple Zoho applications. These challenges include employees having to log in separately to each application, which wastes time and reduces efficiency. To overcome these challenges, we propose leveraging Okta for single sign-on to streamline access management. With Okta integration, employees can access all applications using a single set of credentials, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Let us quickly move into the demo to see how the solution works. Let us start by logging into the Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the application section where you can view all the integrated applications. The dashboard displays business applications such as Office 365, Salesforce, and various Zoho applications like People Plus, CRM, and Recruit. With Okta's integrations, employees can access all these applications using a single set of credentials. In our use case, we are addressing the integration challenges faced with multiple Zoho applications. For this, we have integrated Zoho directory with Okta to streamline user management. In the People section, you can see Edward's profile, which is imported from Zoho directory to Okta. I will now show you the specific integration configurations that have been set up previously to facilitate this process. This approach not only resolves access management issues but also enhances overall operational efficiency within the organization. Log into Zoho People Plus account. To configure SSO, navigate to the Settings section. Select the Marketplace option from the menu. Use the search bar to locate Zoho directory. Click on Configure to proceed with the setup. A Zoho directory account has been successfully created. By navigating to the Users section, you can observe that the users from Zoho People Plus have been seamlessly synced with Zoho directory. For SSO configuration, go to Security tab and click on Add IDP. To add Okta as an IDP, you will need the SSO URL and the certificate from Okta. Log into your Okta account and go to the Applications tab and create a SAML application. Now give the name as Zoho. For SAML configuration, you need ACS URL from the Zoho. Copy the ACS URL and paste here. Set the entity ID as zoho.com. And choose the name ID format as email address and username as email. On next. Now select it is an internal app. Click on finish. Now in authentication tab, copy the sign on URL and paste it in the sign in URL in Zoho directory. And download the certificate from Okta for use in Zoho directory. Ensure the certificate downloaded from Okta is saved securely. Navigate back to the Zoho directory setup where you are configuring the identity provider. Import the saved certificate into the Zoho directory. Once you have completed these steps, the SSO configuration will be successfully established. To effectively manage user provisioning, adding Okta to Zoho directory is crucial. This integration enables the use of the SCIM protocol, which simplifies and automates user synchronization between the two platforms. To add Okta to Zoho directory, click on Directory Stores and then select Add Directory. Choose Okta from the available directory options. Note down the sync endpoint and the SCIM token from Zoho directory. These will be used in Okta for synchronization. Click Next to proceed. Ensure that the attributes from Zoho directory are correctly mapped to Okta fields. In the settings section, select Don't notify anyone for password notifications. Configure status sync to reflect changes in Zoho directory. Set the criteria to apply to all the users. To synchronize user accounts from Zoho directory to Okta, you need to enable provisioning in Okta. Log into Okta and navigate to the General tab of the application. Enable provisioning to the SCIM and click on Save. After saving, the provisioning tab will become available. Open this tab to proceed with the configuration. In the SCIM connector URL field, paste the URL copied from the Zoho directory. And for the unique identifier field, select email. Enable the following provisioning actions for import new users and profile updates and import groups. To configure authentication, select HTTP header. Paste the bearer token copied from the Zoho directory into the appropriate field. Click on Test Configuration to verify that the SCIM connector is properly set up. Once you see the success message confirming the configuration, click Save to finalize. To import users from Zoho directory to Okta, switch to the To Okta tab and click on Edit. Set schedule import to run every hour to keep user data updated. Choose username as email address for username formatting. Now in user creation and matching section, select email matches to import user and enable auto confirm exact matches, auto confirm new users, auto activate new users. Click Save to finalize these settings. To import users from Zoho directory, navigate to the Import tab. Click on Import Now. To initiate the process of importing users from Zoho directory into Okta. Upon the successful completion of the import process, Edward's user account is now visible and fully integrated within Okta. This confirms that the synchronization between Zoho directory and Okta has been successfully executed. To access the People Plus app directly, you need to create a bookmark application in Okta. Navigate to the Applications tab in your Okta dashboard. Select the Zoho application that was previously created. Go to the Authentication tab. Copy the SSO URL. This URL will be used to create a bookmark application. To create a bookmark application, search for the bookmark app in the Browse App catalog. Click on Add Integration. Now paste the SSO URL which was copied earlier. Give the relay state as People Plus login URL. Give the name as Zoho People Plus. Click Done to save your application. Update the logo of the Zoho People Plus app to match your branding. Go to the assignment section, assign the Zoho People Plus app to Edward. Repeat the same process for CRM and Recruit applications. This setup ensures seamless access to these Zoho applications through Okta's SSO capabilities. As Edward is imported from Zoho directory, now verify Edward's email inbox to confirm that he has received an invitation link from Okta. Click on the activation link in the email. Now follow the activation link to set up Edward's account. Create a password for the account. Click on next. Now complete the setup for Okta Verify as an additional authentication factor and click continue. Once the setup is complete, log into the Okta end user dashboard. Upon clicking the Zoho People Plus application, Edward is redirected to his People Plus page. This ensures that he can access his HR related tasks and information directly without needing to log in separately. Next, when we click on the Zoho CRM application, Edward is redirected to his CRM page. This allows him to manage customer relationships and access all CRM functionalities without additional login steps. Finally, clicking on the Zoho Recruit application, it redirects Edward to his recruit page. Here he can manage recruitment process. This setup demonstrates how Okta's single sign-on capabilities streamline access to multiple Zoho applications, enhancing user experience and productivity by eliminating the need for multiple logins. This wraps up our session. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you found the information was helpful.